Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the DK engine parts, hot and cold side intercooler pipes on my 6.7 Powerstroke. The 6.7 Powerstroke is known to have failures with the plastic intercooler pipe, so I figured I'd get on top of that, and I got a new kit from DK Engines with silicone and metal. Let's check it out. So I've got all kinds of goodies over here ready to go on the truck, but those are for other videos. Today we got this. Sticker. Alright, so we got everything out of the box. Here's what we're looking at. This stuff looks sweet, guys. Got the logo on there. It's all black. Let me just mention that this kit was far cheaper than any of the other ones. And DK Engine Parts makes good products. When I had a 6.0, I had a metal degas bottle on there and a couple other things. And I was real impressed with it. I mean, the Mishimoto one is close to $600 on their website, and I got this for under $200. Alright, let's get the teardown on the truck going. We'll put these on and see how they look. Alright. So here's your intercooler pipes. This is the top one. The bottom one is right here. And this is the one that usually fails for most people. Either this will crack or the boots will break. My buddy just had one on his 6.7. It's the same year. It's got 4,000 miles more than mine. And his just blew up. So I figured it'd be a good time for me to do mine. Alright, this top one's supposedly the hardest, so I'm going to start with that. Alright, so I got the top and bottom ones off. The top one was definitely harder. That's what they look like. And they're all full of oil. Turbo's full of oil. Intercooler's full of oil. I do have a new oil separator, and I may just put that in today. Well, I figured since I have a new one, I'm going to go ahead and replace the oil separator, kind of like the crankcase filter.
3 hours later.
Whew, that thing was a bitch to get out. So here they are all installed. There's the cold pipe. There's the hot side. A couple complaints. One is the company logo is not very visible, which I mean isn't a big deal, but it would just be cool to be able to see that. The black just looks sweet in there. I mean, it definitely looks aftermarket. Did not like how the clamps here, let's see if it'll focus. That was the only position I could get them in. I'm not sure if that's going to interfere with changing the fuel filter. I tried to run this back one down to this side, and it was rubbing against this here, so I decided to just put them both like that. It doesn't really look that clean to me, but they're on there. Hopefully I can still get to the fuel filter. And the CAC boots on this were super tight, which is good, but this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces on the cold side one, and it was pretty hard to get together. I ended up using some silicone lubricant, spraying the outside of the aluminum pipe, and then I would work it in there, and I still don't know if they're lined up as good as I can get them, but I did my best. So I did go for a drive after I put it on. The camera died, and it's a stock 6.7. I've got a 4-inch DPF back, which does nothing. Don't buy one of those. And with those pipes on, though, I can definitely hear the turbo a lot better. It's more noticeable, especially when it cold starts. You can hear it inside the cab. Not really. You got to have the windows down, but when you accelerate and let off, that's when you hear it the best. The construction of them is great, I think. The black looks really good. The boots are, I think, high quality silicone, and it definitely improves the whole look of the engine bay on the truck. And if you're worried about your plastic cold side pipe breaking, there are the fixes online, and most of them cost just as much as that whole kit did for just the cold side. So you still keep your stock hot side one. This one, I think, was just under 200 bucks, and it comes with everything you need, the hot and cold side. And most of these kits are trying to sell you just the cold side, or Mishimoto has a kit that I know is, I think, around 400 bucks, maybe more. So definitely look into this kit. I'll put a link in the description, and check it out, see what you guys think. Thanks for watching.